So, Google Pixel series is experiencing an increase in the popularity primarily attributed to its debut-friendly lineup of phones. While the Pixel 8 Pro and the 7 Pro boost impressive camera and performance, it is the Pixel 7a that truly stand out for its exceptional value. The affordability of the Pixel A model has attracted a substantial user for the base positioning of the Pixel 7a as formidable contender against the Galaxy A54 in the budget phone segment in 2023. Looking ahead, the anticipated Pixel 8a is poised to elevate the standards with its remarkable specification. Google traditionally launches the Pixel A phones in the first half of the year, reserving the flagship lineup for the later part. The Pixel 7a was unveiled on May 11 during the Google I/O event, sharing the stage with the Pixel Fold and the Pixel tablet. If the Pixel 8a is set to make its debut this year, it is likely to be showcased in May during the Google Developer Conference, although no official confirmation has been provided. The pricing strategy for the Pixel 8a remain uncertain, given the difference costing of its predecessor. The Pixel 7a was priced as $499, while the Pixel 6a carried a $449 price tag. Notably, Google increased the pricing of the Pixel 8 by $100 and this year reaching a $699. This adjustment suggests a deliberate effort to establish a clear difference between the budget-friendly model and the flagship counterpart. It is plausible to anticipate that the Pixel 8a will maintain a consistent price point, potentially aligning with its predecessor at $499, despite Google passionate for secrecy. A leaked hands-on images has already surfaced, offering a glimpse of the Pixel 8 design. Unsurprisingly, the phone bears a striking resemblance to the Pixel 8 and the 8 Pro, featuring rounded corners, a bar-like camera module on the back, and essentially placed selfie camera. The bezels surrounding the display are notably thick as anticipated in the design render shared by SmartPrix. Regarding the display, the Pixel 8a may not seem significantly upgraded, likely retaining a 6.1-inch in OLED display with a 90Hz refresh rate. Similarly, the Pixel 8a is expected to share the same chipset as its most premium counterpart, the Google Tensor G3. This processor delivers commendable performance with notable efficiency improvement. Additionally, the chip introduced a range of AI features addressing a previous gap in functionality obsessed in previous generation phones. So I'm really excited about the Pixel 8a series. What do you guys think about the upcoming Pixel 8a? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.